Hi everyone, welcome back to another short tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you if your desktop looks very messy and you want to hide your desktop icons very quickly, there is a shortest and easiest to hide your icons from the desktop. So all you need to do is just simply right click view and just uncheck show desktop icons. So here you go. All my desktop icons disappeared. We will check if we can find them in C and user folder or no. Here you can see I am able to see the icons, but on my actual desktop, there is no icon. So to return back, simply just right click, view, and again check show desktop icons. So that's it for today. See you in the next video.